Don't think using bone straight hair is easy. Stop taking care of your bone straight hair immediately if you don't know these 3 things about how to maintain bone straight hair. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, best Vietnam hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factories. Many hair extension users are passionate about using bone straight hair. However, how to maintain bone straight hair properly is always something that most people do not know well. So, let's come to the 3 things you need to know about how to maintain bone straight hair. The first thing in how to maintain bone straight hair is how to keep your hair straight and smooth. One of the 3 options below may help you in how to maintain bone straight hair. Use a hair straightener, wax, and a hot comb. Thoroughly cleaning your hair extension is the first step in maintaining bone straight. The next step is to either let the hair air dry or blow dry in using low heat setting. Gently brushing will loosen any knots or tangles in your bone straight hair. In the second stage, a protective pattern must be used to spray onto your bone straight hair. Step 3 is separate your bone straight hair into sections. To leave a hair piece in place and secure the remaining bone straight hair with clips. Make certain that all the bone straight hair is straight. The last step is straighten the remaining sections of hair in the same manner. The second thing you need to keep in mind when learning about how to maintain bone straight hair is choosing the right type of comb. Use a comb that has similar structure to the one I hold in my hand. With this comb, you will easily untangle your bone straight hair and avoid maximum breakage. The last and also most critical thing in maintaining bone straight hair is cleaning. Because bone straight hair is composed of real human hair, they might be dry, shed, or tangled as a result. As a result, cleaning and conditioning the hair is an essential step in maintaining bone straight hair. And that is what you need to know about how to maintain bone straight hair. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory's Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.